In this video I will show you how to download and run the AdBlock. Let's get a look at it. Search for AdBlock download in Google and click on first option. This is the AdBlock which I use. Click here to add to Chrome and add extension. Now it's downloading and it will take a few seconds. It was automatically installed. Here you can some money if you want, but you don't have to. And now we want to open extensions. I got it right here. Now make sure the AdBlock is turned on. Also I want the AdBlock icon here. So click on this puzzle and pin AdBlock. If it's red, you are blocking the ads. If you right click and pause on this side, it will turn green and stop blocking ads. Make sure it's red. It should be running. I will try it on my YouTube. The ad was blocked. So this was how to install and run the AdBlock. I hope you find it helpful. See you in the next video.